guys, it's Nikki and welcome to the channel. We are just about to get our wristbands for the Very Merry After Hours. Pretty sure that's what it's called. Not like 100% sure yet what it's actually called, but we'll figure it out. We have just been hanging out in Magic Kingdom this afternoon and we are very excited for the party. We're gonna see Enchantment for the first time, right? That's what it's called? Sure. Yeah, this one's Enchantment. And then we will see the special fireworks show for just the Christmas party.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for it.
Me too. The party starts at 9 and runs until like 1 a.m. and everybody out, like the park closes at 8. So from 8 to 9, they're gonna work on clearing everybody out. And then we get complimentary, I don't want to say free because we did pay for the party tickets, but free snacks throughout the park tonight, and hopefully we'll get on Jingle Cruise. I don't know, possibly, hopefully, that's the goal. Oh, we will. So we're very excited and let's get started. Hi! Here are our wristbands for the Very Merriest After Hours. So when you go into rides and different things like that, they will just check that you have a wristband on. This is our map. And this is gonna just tell you, this is gonna tell you all of the exclusive things that are going on for the party. They have merch, they have the parades, the fireworks show, dance parties where you can go see characters. They have the specialty food items, which honestly, I don't think we'll do any of those. We'll take advantage of the complimentary snacks, so the snack carts and the cookies. I'll tell you where your cookie stops are on the map, and then where the reindeers are in the parade route. So we got our wristband, now we're just gonna go and see if we can jump on the people mover, and so then we can just cross that off our list for tonight. We're not gonna wait in a long line or anything at this point because we want to ride People Mover and then go watch Enchantment.
Children, stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip.
Yeah. Very red right now, but 'tis the season. So we just got off of, well, first we watched Enchantment. I enjoyed it. I liked the beginning and the end. The middle didn't really do anything for me, but we'll get into more of that later. We just got off of Space Mountain. We might, Buzz looks kind of long.
35 minutes long.
Is it really 35?
Yeah.
We'll come back. No. We're gonna come back and do Buzz, but we are excited. I really need a water, but the free stuff doesn't open until 9, so we're just gonna have to wait. You're doing great.
Stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no door.
Okay, so we watched the Christmas parade. Now we're in Frontierland. We're gonna go on Big Thunder and then Splash Mountain. Jackson wants to go on Splash Mountain. I do not. It's gonna be, I'm gonna go. I just don't want to get soaking wet. It'll be fine. We've already had some ice cream, had our cookie. We're gonna get some hot chocolate because it's getting a little chilly. Ready?
Partners, for your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. And any of you folks are wearing extra glasses, here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Oh, I got a screen.
You do. Going on Splash Mountain. It's literally a 5-minute wait because nobody wants to ride this ride when it's cold. Except
Pro tip.
Except
Come
this
when it's
cutie.
cold.
For reals. I need to pay attention to where I'm walking, but yeah. Just got off of Big Thunder.
Put your mask on.
Now we're going to Splash Mountain.